This is Kayali Yum Bougie Marshmallow. This stuff smells so good, and all the downtown people are downtowning. Like a little bit behind schedule. It is currently 9:48. I gotta get going. I'm just going for something casual, cute. I'm not trying to be all gussied up, just something that's comfortable to wear, you know. First of all, I need to put on some lotion. I hate when my hands and my feet are dry. It's 9:50. My nail appointment is in 10 minutes. Thank God I am 6 minutes away from the nail salon. What is this? This looks comfortable, I'm assuming. Yeah, I'm just gonna wear this. I don't even know if I want to do a French tip again, but yeah. I'm running a little bit late. My glasses on. I threw on my Chacos, which I really shouldn't have because it's a little chilly outside, but it said it's gonna heat up later on today. My niece left her baby dolls in the car. Hopefully, since it's a Tuesday, the nail salon isn't busy. Who's to the left? And all the downtown people are downtowning. This is Kayali Yum Bougie Marshmallow. This stuff smells so good. Can't get enough of that stuff. I got it at a Sephora. And I think I'm going to back into this parking spot. Don't you just love weekdays? It's like nobody's out and about. And I'm pretty sure, what you mean y'all couldn't log into my account? We gonna thug it out. I don't have time to do this. I'm already late for an appointment. Let's go thug it out. It looks slow in here. I like it like this. Hi, I have an appointment with Kat. Yep. White French tip? Yeah. Okay, y'all, this is Kat. Kat is one of the coldest nail techs at this shop. I couldn't find anybody else who knew what they were doing and didn't nick me or cut me in the process. Kat is so cold with it, she even does her own nails. These are tomatoes. I had her do my French tip set for Thailand. I was going for a 90s look. I initially went to somebody and they messed up the set. So I went to this nail salon, which I don't normally go to. And she actually performed lipo on my nails and fixed it for me. I really, really appreciate Kat so much. And this is exactly what I was going for. I wanted that 90s look and she executed it. Now that it's time to get back on the road, I've got a few more errands I have to run and a few more stores I have to hit up. Got some things I need to pick up, so we're gonna jump back in. So Kat did an amazing job on my fingernails, y'all. I love when my nails look like this. I like that really timeless 90s look. We're gonna go to Nam Hai, and then we're gonna go to Target. Okay, just made it to Nam Hai. I'm gonna go in here and there are a few products that I want to get. I had to close my sunroof. It'll start getting hot. I know exactly what I need to get. I honestly don't even need to have my phone out to get this stuff. I love Oriental marts. Yeah. I love going into these Oriental Asian markets because it's a lot easier. Let me get my phone out because as long as I have my phone out, people are gonna think like I'm on the phone. Do we want a cart this time or no? Oh my God, they got the Hello Kitty Milkies. Hello Kitty kind. Screw the regular flavor. All my non-Asian girlies know about the Oriental Asian grocery stores. First on my list is Ocean Bomb Sparkling Water. I'm obsessed with these. I used to get these at Ranch 99 when I stayed in Houston. Each flavor is tied to a different anime character. They've got different flavors like kiwi, white peach, lychee, and even grape yogurt. It's really fun choosing based on your favorite character or on your mood. I'd say my favorite one is the kiwi one. Like, I'm obsessed with the kiwi. And then the pineapple one also. That's also my favorite. So I'm gonna get a few more things and then just leave with my favorite peach ice cream. This is the viral one we saw on TikTok, and yes, I'm buying them in bulk. This ice cream is so freaking good. We're gonna try one when I get home. I like how the shell actually tastes like peach. This tastes better than the mango in my opinion. The ice cream quality is decadent. I don't even eat ice cream like that too, y'all. I'll consume it here and there. The fact that that ice cream is coming like that, chef's kiss. 10 out of 10. There's like a Lume deodorant that I need to get. I'm running out of some, so I'm gonna go to Target and go get that deodorant because Lord knows I really need it. And sure enough, I walked into Target and got sidetracked. Y'all, be sure not to look at that little bullseye on the front of the building before you walk in. I really feel like that's Target's way of hypnotizing people, because I went in there with the intention of only getting a deodorant and I came in there and got everything but that. But I did end up getting it before I left. So just go in there with a list, stay focused, do not get sidetracked in Target. Go to Starbucks if you have to. I had to put some stuff back because I started picking up so many things and it got to the point where I was like, I didn't come here for this. So I just put some stuff back and I said, let me get out of here. I usually order my groceries online and have them delivered unless I'm going to an Asian grocery store or it's something that I want right away. We're gonna put everything up, get comfortable, unwind, and we're just gonna chill for the rest of the day.